welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be making a Unity braided cross. If you guys don't already know, we're getting married in October, and we've been on the lookout for one. They run about $200 on Etsy, and quite frankly, I feel like we can make one. So this is our first go at the Unity braided cross, and we'll see how it goes. So I've got my fiance Josh here with me. He got a miter saw for Christmas, so we're going to try that out. This is our first time using a miter saw too. So it's just going to kind of be trial and error and see how it goes. So we went and got our boards and our wood for this project at Menards. We have an oak plywood board.
Half an inch thick.
It's a 2x4.
2x4.
Yeah, half inch thick, 2x4. Piece of oak. And then we got two of these, what are these, 1x3x6?
Yep.
Pine. This is going to be for the trim. And I'll link a picture of what it's supposed to look like here. Or show you a picture so you know what we're talking about. So we got two of those for the trim that goes around the board. And then we got this 1x4x6 pine for the actual cross part that will nail little knobs into, and the rope will be on that. So that'll be going in the middle. So we want our cross, or the whole thing, to be about 24x30.
24x30.
So we're going to go ahead and cut our plywood first.
Yep.
And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Alright.
So right now he is just measuring the 30. We bought our plywood that was 24 inches wide, which is exactly what we wanted. So now we're just gonna cut off the extra, so it is 30 inches long. For that we're using a circular saw and then his miter saw stand.
Great.
Okay, so we got our piece of plywood. It actually splintered a lot after the cut. I don't know if you guys can see that. So what we'll do is just sand it down really good. And then we need to stain it and make the trim.
Alright, we'll cut these boards in trim pieces, right? Or we can sand it.
Are you cutting with my phone?
So in these trim pieces, I'm going to use the miter saw over here. This is a really nice stand that we're all going to for Christmas. It's a quick disconnect, so all you got to do is bend this all over. You set it on the rail, and then they lock in place. Really nice. Power cord out of the way, and you just push it out. And just lock it in. There we go. Alright. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to cut this trim piece. I added, so the miter that I cut, it's 3/4 of an inch from the miter to the end. So I added 3/4 of an inch to each side of this board, so 1.5 inches. So here we go. I'm gonna cut this piece here. Line the blade on the other side of the line.
So here we decided that it would be easier if we went ahead and instead of cutting a straight edge, we cut the 45-degree angle. So that is what we do on the future ones.
So these two fit together like that.
Looks good.
Alright. So I'm going to go out of this one.
So we do have to go to Menards and grab one more board. Like we said, this is trial and error. It's our first time using a miter saw, and I think we did pretty good for our first time. So we'll run to Menards, get one more board.
We'll cut the other end here, the top, and then we'll need it. So here's our two top pieces. Just like so. And then the other piece we have. Will fit like so on the bottom. And there'll be our frame. We need to get one more piece. I can get a 3-foot piece. You just cut another end down. That'll be good.
Need to throw the splinters.
In the meantime, we can sand our edge off.
Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sand this baby down. Just using our little Black & Decker handy little hand sander. It's come in handy so many times. I'm gonna put on my safety glasses just because all this splintering, I don't know about. I'm gonna sand the whole thing down though, really make sure there's no splinters in these edges, and make it smooth so I can stain it. Here we go. I just made sure to go against the wood grain, and it feels pretty smooth. Just gotta wipe it off here. Let's see. There we go. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a rag, wipe it down with some water, and go ahead and just stain both sides. I think that's what I'll do, and then I can choose later what side I like the best. There is like a gouge in this side though, so that might stick out with the stain, but it could also look cool. So we'll see. Alright, let me get a rag.
What's going on, everybody? New board from Menards. So I'm gonna miter the side of the frame here. Better get the sander off my stand so it falls. It's over here. Here we go. Just like that, guys. And just just like that, they're ready for paint.
Sure.
Oh yeah.
Line them up.
Line them up.
Alright guys, that concludes it. Be sure to come back for part 2 on sanding and painting our Unity braided cross.